Okay, the problem is 3D printing seems super confusing. Well, the fix is the A1 Mini, and now it's super easy. I bought this 3D printer for my grandsons, and this is right after we had taken it out of the box, set it up. This is their very first 3D project. Here's my son setting the printer up for his two boys. He's never had any experience, but he was surprised himself at how easy the setup was. And here's one of my grandsons already looking for a project to print. When I was researching and before I bought this printer, I saw that the #1 rated feature on this was the auto-calibration. Seriously, this printer handles all the technical stuff, like leveling the bed. It does it all by itself. You don't have to touch a thing. All the reviews I read, people were calling it a set it and forget it machine, and it truly is. It basically just skips the annoying setup part so you can just 3D print. Are there any downsides? Well, I did see that a reviewer said that sometimes his project sticks to the metal plate. We did have a couple projects where it almost seemed to stick, but what we did is we let it completely cool before we removed it from the plate. Is it worth it? Well, heck yeah. For the money, this thing works just like the expensive printers. It's super reliable. Plug it in and go. I definitely recommend this as a buy.
This is not a time-lapse video. It is actually this speed.
Okay. For our initial 3D project, we chose just something super basic because we had never used the machine before, and it turned out amazing, but it didn't take very long to start advancing into much more complicated projects. But it's still easy. You just plug in the new project and the machine does it. Now, it will take longer as you input more complicated 3D projects. It will take longer to make. Now, here's something that's really cool the boys made. It is a dragon, and it's super complex, and it is crazy how well it did. They love this machine, and now they're making their own toy. So, yeah, I really like this A1 Mini.